Everyone knows we yawn when we're tired, but have you ever really wondered why we actually yawn? For a long time, people thought that yawning helped get more oxygen to our tired brains. But more recent research has shown that this probably isn't the case. A newer theory is that yawning helps to regulate our brain temperature. When we yawn, we take a deep breath in while stretching our jaw wide open, then breathe out while closing our jaw more quickly. Some researchers say this movement increases the flow of blood to our head, helping to cool our brain. Even if you don't know exactly why we yawn, one thing is for sure: yawning is contagious. Often, when we see or hear or even read about someone else yawning, we yawn too. Contagious yawning is an example of something called echo phenomena, where we unconsciously copy other people's words or actions. Scientists have tracked down contagious yawning to a specific part of the brain called the motor cortex, the region of our brain that controls our movements. Within the motor cortex, there are specialized neurons called mirror neurons. Mirror neurons are activated, mirror-like, when we see other people doing similar actions to ourselves. Studies have found that these mirror neurons are active during contagious yawning. We see someone yawn, and our brain mirrors it. Some psychologists have looked at the relationship between contagious yawning and empathy, and have suggested that the more cold-hearted someone is, the less likely they are to experience contagious yawning. Some have even gone as far as to suggest that a lack of contagious yawning might be a sign that someone is a psychopath. While that claim might be a bit dubious, studies have shown that we do have different abilities to resist contagious yawning. This might have something to do with how excitable our brains are. Researchers have found that stimulating the motor cortex of the brain with electrical currents can increase contagious yawning. If you often experience contagious yawning, you might be someone with a more excitable brain. If you've made it through this video without yawning, your brain might just be a bit less excitable. Or, on the other hand, maybe you're a psychopath. While you're here, why not take a minute to check out my other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe.